Hey guys, if you have a bumper scuff, paint transfer from another vehicle, stay with us and we will explain how you can easily fix that in less than 30 seconds. Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Product Review. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a bumper, let's say on the corner of the bumper, like a scuff or paint transfer. Stay with us and we will explain how you can easily fix that. All that will be covered in this video today, and it will take you a very short amount of time and you will improve the appearance of your vehicle 100%. So let's start on it now. So what we are going to use right here is the scratch and swirl remover by Phoenix. It's amazing product, guys. Okay, it's a product that I have been using for a long time. You can see it comes with a sponge that works really good for removing scratches. Mine is really old. Why? Because I've been using it for a long time. It's not a product that I just bought, okay, to review right now. It's a product that I've been using for years now. It's made in the USA. You can see it's eco-friendly. 100% guaranteed results, restores your car full potential, safely removes years of wear, and be proud of your ride. Swirl and scratch remover. So let me show you, okay, what I'm going to do. You just grab it really good, okay, shake it. Then all you have to do, open, place a small amount, okay, you don't need so much. Now that's okay, that's what we'll be fixing here. You can see on that Mercedes, okay, I have that somebody hit me with the parking spot somewhere, and it makes me mad, guys. Okay, you can see it's pretty bad. So right here now, okay, all you have to do, okay, start cleaning it, okay, and polishing it by hand. You don't need any special tools, anything like that. So that will be the only thing that that we'll be using today and nothing else. Okay, let me show you now, and we'll be almost done. I forgot to take a paper towel, but I'm gonna show you now how we can take care of that thing in probably about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, I'll go get a paper towel, and I'm going to apply one more coat and I'll show you the results. So I'll come now on this side with the right hand, because with the left one I cannot buff as efficiently as I wish. My sponge is getting a little bit dirty. As I said, I've been using it for really guys, long time. Okay, now let's see the result in a little bit. I think almost everything's going away. Depending on how bad yours is, it may take a little bit more, okay, more work, but that's the only product that, okay, will improve it drastically, guys. Now if you have a paint scratch that's left and you have practically missing paint, okay, I have a little spot right there. What you will need to do in that case, you need to touch it up. And on our main YouTube channel, How to Repair, guys, we have a special video that explains how to safely do that. Okay, so let me just wipe it now, and I want to show you now, guys. Okay, that's the result. Okay, practically almost gone. We just have two little bitty, okay, spots right here left, and the paint is missing on this side. But actually I'm going to go ahead and try to get these two little spots as well. It's a little bit harder for me to video and try to see what I'm doing at the same time, but I think they'll come off. Okay, let me see. It's missing paint on both. Okay, but you can see it's dramatically different, guys. Okay, a little bit of a scratch. Okay, I don't know if you can see it right there. So let me just touch it up too, and gone in seconds. If you know what you're doing, it will take you less than a minute, guys. So much better. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.